Welcome back to Auto Garage, the ultimate destination for military vehicles, off-road beasts, and next-gen truck tech. If you love powerful machines built for the harshest terrains, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from the world of heavy-duty innovation. Today, we're diving into the beast that has just shaken the heavy vehicle world, the all-new 2025 URAL 4328x8 dump truck. This is not just a truck, it's a symbol of raw strength, next-gen engineering, and utility wrapped into one heavy-duty platform. URAL has officially unveiled their latest version of the 4320, and this time, it's on an 8x8 platform, offering unmatched performance and capacity for both military and commercial use. Let's start with the design. The exterior still retains the classic URAL military DNA, but with sharp, modern upgrades. The new 2025 model comes with a reinforced chassis, military-grade armor-ready cab options, and a redesigned dump body with high-tensile strength materials. Its signature orange tipper bed now includes auto-locking hydraulic features, faster lift cycles, and increased payload capacity. The front end sports a more aggressive grille design, modern LED lighting, and optional winch mount systems. What truly makes the 2025 8x8 URAL stand out is its drivetrain. Under the hood is a next-gen turbocharged diesel engine producing over 480 horsepower and more than 1,800 Nm of torque. This powertrain is paired with a heavy-duty 12-speed automatic transmission that adapts to all terrains, from icy tundras to muddy off-road trails. And yes, it's fully compliant with modern emissions and fuel efficiency standards. With an 8x8 full-time all-wheel drive system, locking differentials on all axles, and a central tire inflation system, the 4320 delivers extreme off-road performance. Whether you're climbing steep hills, navigating swamps, or hauling material through a frozen construction site, this truck is built to survive and thrive. It has a wading depth of 1.5 meters without preparation and a maximum load capacity of up to 20 tons, depending on configuration. Inside the cabin, the 2025 URAL offers a surprisingly refined experience. The interior is rugged yet ergonomic, with improved insulation, noise reduction, and comfort upgrades. The dashboard now features a digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment with GPS and telemetry, and integrated climate control. Optional military-grade seats with 4-point harnesses are available for tactical deployments. For safety, the truck is equipped with ABS, traction control, and optional camera systems for 360-degree awareness. There's also an optional armored version available for military use or operation in conflict zones. Let's talk about the dump mechanism. The rear tipper bed is powered by an updated high-efficiency hydraulic system. It lifts faster and safer, with auto-stop sensors to prevent overloading or spillage. The body can also be